Welcome to Good Morning Giggles. Start your day with smiles, songs, and sunshine. This channel is all about fun. What's that looking like truck? Wow, I can play with this truck. This village is alive with toy vehicles, colorful tractors, diggers, and race cars zooming everywhere. Tiny roads, busy traffic, and I think it's Tampo.
Yeah!
Oh, another one. I think there's lots of playing toys. I think I should search it.
Oh my god!
This is another truck, but they are a bit smaller than previous ones. Look at this. It's so cute. I love this, and I hope my sister loved this too.
Nice!
Oh my gosh, look at this car that I love it. Let me see whether this car can cross this pond or not. Let's try.
Oh no!
Well, that was my first attempt. Let me try again. I can do this, come on. I said it before I can do that. And who might have keep here this tractor? Its color is green. It's my favorite color. Oh, here it's remote to wow nice. Oh, I can turn it on as well. And look here, it's remote. It's also a green color, haha, wow. Today is must be my lucky day. Oh, look here, what a beautiful house, and I like this. While there is bird nest too, I can see it. And also, all houses are small and cute. Oh my god, I am so excited. My sister will love this when she will see this. This is made up of wood. Let me keep it in a safe place. Oh, it's heavy, as I have had already mentioned. This is made by wood. Here we go. I'll keep these all toy here, so my sister can see these all in one place. She will be happy, and me too. It's all together for houses. Let me keep these toys to there.
Come on, everybody!
嘘でしょ？
Okay, this turn now today is so sunny day, and no one is there to help me out. I'm so thirsty as well, but no one is there to bring water for me. Hey, no worries, I'll do it myself tomorrow as my sister coming to meet me. She will be happy after seeing these all, yeah. Oh yeah, this one is my best car. I had crossed that pond in 3 attempts. I love this. Let's go. And now it's looking to be altogether nice. I had completed my today job. Meet Greenie, the bright green toy tractor with big black wheels and a cheerful smile. He's strong, sturdy, and ready for fun, whether it's farming in the sandbox or racing over the rug. Perfect for tiny hands and big imaginations. Let's go. Here's the last angle shoot. Nice, perfect shot, yes. Bumpy the mini toy truck rumbled down a lonely road, vroom vroom. No cars, no cows, just wind and dust. But Bumpy wasn't scared. He had a mission. I'm off to load some stones. He beeped proudly. He bounced over pebbles, zipped around a stick, and finally reached the rocky hill. With a clunk and a clack, Bumpy filled his tiny bag and loaded up. Don't drop a stone on the strongest truck alone. Then off he rolled, stone stacked high, heading home beneath the sky. Okay, we are near the destination. The mini truck backed up with a beep beep. Its bed was empty, but not for long. One by one, tiny hands dropped in smooth pebbles and chunky little stones clink. Clack plonk, the sound of a big job getting done. The truck wobbled a bit. Whoa. That's heavy, but it was strong and ready to haul that kama with its back full of rocks. The mini truck gave a happy little honk. Let's roll. Off it went, pebbles rattling, ready for the next adventure. The mini truck is almost at its destination, filled with pebbles and stones. It's worked hard, rolling down the road with pride. Job well done, little truck beep beep. Meet Zuma, the mini green tractor with a wild streak. He zooms, zips, and spins all around the room like a tiny whirlwind on wheels. No carpet is safe, no corner unexplored. Zuma races over toys, weaves between chairs, and even darts under tables, always full speed ahead. But here's the amazing part. Even though Zuma drives crazy fast and does all kinds of wild moves, he never crashes. No bumps, no spills, not a single scratch. How does he do it? Zuma has the best tractor skill, super balance, and quick reflexes that keep him steady no matter what. He honks happily, beep beep, as if saying, "Watch me go." Zuma loves to spin in circles, zoom backwards, and take sharp turns, all while staying safe and sound. Whether he's bouncing over blocks or drifting around rugs, he's always in control. Zuma may be wild and crazy, but he's a smart little tractor who knows how to have fun without any accidents. So next time you see a green blur zooming by, that's Zuma riding crazy and loving every minute of it. Here are some funny facts about the mini green tractor. It can do wheelies, but only on carpet hills. It thinks every sock is a slippery mud puddle. Its favorite food is imaginary grass because real grass is too messy. It once tried to race a toy dinosaur and lost. It honks beep beep so much, even the cat covers its ears. It loves to spin in circles until it's dizzy, then asks for a nap. It believes it's the fastest tractor in the whole toy box universe. It once got stuck, but only because it wanted a break. It always tries to sneak into the kitchen to help with chores. It thinks tiny pebbles are giant boulders to conquer. No matter how wild or silly the mini green tractor gets, it always brings a smile and a whole lot of fun wherever it goes. That's what makes it the coolest little tractor in town. A white and green vehicle, now fully loaded with stones and pebbles, finished its hard day of work. It rumbles softly as it turns around, ready to head back home. The road stretches out quietly ahead, and the vehicle moves steadily, proud of the job it's done. With its load secure, its engine humming gently, it travels back through the peaceful path, happy to be almost home after a busy day collecting stones and pebbles.